Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will introduce myself. My name's Muhammad Syehan Ramadhan, and I'm from English Department, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, EIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon. And today, in this change, I will fulfill my assessment of ELTM, English Language Teaching Media, and about the teaching design of syllabus. And then the first is the attendance list. The teachers begin the class by calling each student's name to check the attendance, noting absence of students being present, absent, late, or etc. And then brainstorming. Before the class, the teachers initiate a brainstorming session to engage students and stimulate their brain to critically think about today's material. And then the learning objective. Improving listening patterns for recount text and understand what is recount text by listen every video that given to. And then understanding and analyze the text structure of recount text about experience, event, incidents according to the context of use. And then can modify and alter the recount text to create a new one with a correct structured text. And then we move can more speaks fluently and effectively about what being said. And then the target audience is senior high school students, the third class, and then the meeting duration is 19 minutes, and the material selection. The first is listening comprehension of recount text, and then reading about simple recount text that tells the experience, activities, incident, or events. And then written structured text. The first is mentioning action, incidents, or even in general structure. And second is mentioning the sequence of action, incident, event, or chronological order. And the third is general conclusion. And then the learning process. The first is listening. A student must listen to the first link of YouTube video to improve their listening skill. And then we can move to second link of recount text. Teachers must engage students to examine the recount text. The teachers choose some students to answer the questions about the difficult words to hear and pronounce it. Reading, yeah. Students analyze and examine various examples of recount text about experience, activities, event, or incidents provided by the teachers. First, students read the passage or recount text in the website that teachers provide. And then the students must read meaningfully to grasp the structured text efficiently. After students finish, teachers engage the class by choosing some student again to examining the structures of the text. And then writings. The teachers engage students to create and modify the recount text based on example given by the teachers about the experience or events. Students learn to modify and alter the recount text, like from the main ideas, sequence of information paragraph, and a specific conclusion from the recount text by using Microsoft Words. And then the last is speaking. Yeah. After writing sessions, students can exercise the oral skill, which is speaking practice. The figures of teachers in this session can guide students to correct mispronounce about word spelling, chunks, intonation, and etc. Yeah, And that's all about my video. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.